What's the deal, family man? Welcome back to the Realest Reaction channel on YouTube. It's your boy Sean, and we here with another banger for y'all, man. So look, another Fijian, all right? Another Fijian rugby player. His name is Eroni Sau. Sau, nicknamed the Sledgehammer, all right? He's a Fijian rugby union player. He played on the Fiji National Sevens team. Fiji drew a team at the 2017 National Rugby Championship. Let's see what else we got going on. He was named Sevens Rookie of the Season 2017-18, Impact Player 2017-18, 2 silver medals for the Fiji Sevens team. And that's pretty much it. So we're gonna check him out, see what he's talking about, man. He is the Sledgehammer. A lot of you guys throughout for months now have been commenting his name. So we're going to check him out today, man, see what he's talking about. We got his, apparently his best season, so we're going to do the 2017-2018 highlights, man. If you want to see more like this, enjoy the video, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. There's tons of Fiji players, Fiji Sevens I can react to, rugby reactions, AFL. It don't really matter, man. Send me more in the comments, like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Thank y'all for 20K, for real, all my rugby fans. That's #1 rugby fans, bro. Thank all y'all, bro. Union, league, it don't matter. Thank all of y'all for real. For 20,000 subscribers, man. I can't really say much else except I love y'all. I really, I appreciate it. I appreciate it for real. So let's get to it. Without further ado, see what Eroni Sau talking about. That's his thing. Wow, who is that? Who is this? This is Semi Truck Radradra. I just reacted to him yesterday, literally. That's crazy. I didn't even know they played on the same team. I could assume it, but I didn't know. Come on, man. Oh, he nice. Whoop, got him. Whoop, get off him. He said, get off me, dog. What's up? Threw his ass. Dress down, man. Sledgehammer for a reason. Oh my God. Oh, he gone. Oh, they not catching. He gone. Oh my God, he abusive. Was that Faf de Klerk? Don't tell me he did Faf, my boy Faf de Klerk like that, bruh. He broke his ankles. Oh my God. Get off me, bro. He ain't even big like that. He ain't even big. He don't even look strong, crazy like that. But this dude, he built like he made of cement or something. The Sledgehammer. Isn't the Sledgehammer made of cement? The Sledgehammer is definitely not made of cement. I swear, sometimes I gotta think before I talk. Anyways, yeah, the Sledgehammer. He built like one for sure. He just dropping cats. Just his bump offs is crazy. Still into play. He came back into play. Come on. Get off me, boot. Bink. Bink. Get down. Get down. Get down. Bro knocked him back 3 feet and knocked the ball 4 feet. How he knocked him back 3 feet and the ball 4 feet forward? How this dude go back 3 feet but the ball go 4 feet forward? It's crazy. That's crazy. Bink. Hello. Oh, got him. Got him. Oh, got him. Oh, he gone. He gone. Take off. Take off. Yeah. He almost got it. Oh, great pass. Alright, I gotta pause it because my camera's about to die, but I'm gonna reset it. I'm gonna run it right back again. Be right back, y'all. Alright, man, picking up right where we left off. I ain't gonna waste no time. Let's get to it. Dude got some wheels on him too, though. Oh my God, bodies. Just get off me, beat. Get off me, beat. Oh my God. He killed him. Me. Get down, dog. Pick his ass out. Link. Got him. Oh, get the hell off me. Link. That jersey drag, I don't know, bro. Like, that's 2 times that he done grabbed that jersey to pull him in. That gotta be like a penalty, right? Holding or something? Or is that just like, fuck it, I'm gonna just grab the jersey? You can do that. I don't know, man. Oh my God. Folded him. What? Get off me. Get off me, bro. Oh, nice. Great offload. Let's keep it a buck, bro. Fiji Sevens teams, maybe even like a Fiji Union team, bro. Like, from what I've seen on a few clips, bro, they got the best offload game I've ever seen in my life. Like, I want to react to just their offloads because that shit is different. Like, they gotta be one of the best Fiji Sevens teams based on what I've seen. I could definitely be wrong. I know USA's up there too, but Fiji gotta be one of the best Sevens teams by far. Like, just me seeing them play, I'm like, they just make everybody else look so basic. Like, no offense to the other teams, just saying. Oh, great pass. Oh, man, manhandled him. Get off me, dog. Take it off, man. Oh my God. Dude looking like Marshawn Lynch. Oh my God. His bump offs are insane. That's it, bro. Man, that was Eroni Sau, man. The Sledgehammer 2017-18 highlights. He is a beast. Bump offs is insane, bro. Bump offs is insane. Simi Radradra, he had the fins. His fins was different. Can't nobody stop his fins. But this guy, his bump offs is insane. He just hit him and they just fall off this dude, bro. They just falling off this dude like he made a fucking steel or some shit, just slipping off him, man. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed that, man. If you want to see more, you already know what to do. If you want me to react to the Fijian Sevens team, I don't know what year, but, you know, Fiji Sevens teams, let me know in the comments, all that good stuff. Like the video. I love and appreciate y'all. Keep it real. Real is rare, and real always reaches everyone. Catch you on the next one. Peace.